I'm on an uphill battle. In the creek, no boat, no paddle. I see the light, but I'm stuck in the shadows. Unfamiliar place, situation got me rattled. What do I do, Lord? I know that fake is not an option, but it's so hard. I feel you calling me, Lord, please no more. Make me a bird so I can fly far, so far away. I try to do it on my own, but it's no way. Even though I know your power's inside of me, you're so strong when I'm so weak. Now I understand blessings for the meek. Jesus, I need you. Power and might can't take me through. I need your spirit to worship in truth. If you take it away, I'm a most miserable fool. Bit off more than I could chew. Now I need living waters to help me swallow. I feel you pulling me. Lord, take my hand. If you lead, I'll follow. Please clean my life up, no mess. I feel faith building, bench press. I feel your spirit so blessed. Feeling like a nerd now, pass the test. Yes, the only way that I can do this is by your spirit leading me through it. Now the struggle makes so much more sense. Stress-free in a life that's so tense. Even when I feel like Clark Kent, troubles arise and you send me to the phone booth. I transform even though I look strong. The S on my chest means spirit, and that's you. Yeah.